Just yesterday morning, I came out here. You couldn't even see the collegiate peaks. They were completely fogged in with snow clouds, so that I know it was snowing over there, and there was just a little dusting here. It wasn't much. But when I woke up this morning, behold, the beautiful sight indeed to see. Sometimes our life feels like we're in a fog. Have you ever heard the expression that we can't see the forest for the trees? Or it's a pea souper? It's a time of life where nothing makes sense. It seems like it's just like you're in the dark, the other expression. You don't understand. It seems like God is nowhere to be found. Your prayers, as the expression says, only go to the ceiling. And there doesn't seem to be any rhyme or purpose. Things aren't going well. You're having trouble in your marriage, or with your children, or with finances, or with your car and your properties, and anything that you can just add to it. It's the pits. It's like God doesn't care, God isn't there, He doesn't understand, and everything seems cloudy, and it's of no use. You give up and you lose hope. That's the danger of life. And we've got to just know the secret, and God gives us that secret from Isaiah chapter 40. And that secret is waiting on the Lord. If we wait long enough, we will see the peak. I set up my camera right here on the deck of the Nellie Bly Chalet where we live during our Colorado time. And that mountain that was completely covered in a snowbank, I set my camera up to do a time-lapse photography. And you're going to see it just like lickety-split, a minute and a half. And it's just going to go like that. But it took me about 4 or 5 hours on a tripod to put my camera in the time-lapse mode. And it went just like that for you, but for me, that waiting period. And that's what life is like. We wait and we wait, but God is doing time-lapse, time-lapse, time-lapse. It's moving forward. The clouds are moving. The darkness is moving. And then God appears. And that's the beauty of waiting on the Lord. He will appear at the right time in the right way for you. I leave you with this word to pause and ponder.